Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Wednesday flagged off the party's ambitious Bharat jodo yatra from Kanyakumari, the coastal town in Tamil Nadu, with an assertion that he will not lose his country to hate and accused the BJP and RSS of trying to divide the country on religious lines. Eyeing the revival of the crisis-ridden party ahead of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, the party chief, Sonia Gandhi, described the march as a landmark occasion and hoped that the march would help rejuvenate the grand old party. Explaining the idea behind the yatra, Rahul Gandhi said, "It is very important that we bring the people of India together and make sure they are united so that the country remains strong. And that is the aim of the Bharat Jodo Yatra, which is designed to listen to the people of India." Earlier in the day, the Congress described the march as a turning point in Indian politics and said it marks a new beginning. Rahul Gandhi, along with other Congress leaders, will embark on the yatra on Thursday at 7 a.m. from Vivekananda Polytechnic in Kanyakumari.